It's 2026. The classic 50/30/20 rule is 21 years old, and almost everyone online is screaming it's dead. But here's the thing, it's not dead. It's just grown up. In the next 13 minutes I'm giving you the exact 2026 numbers, the 3 versions people are actually using right now, and the step-by-step playbook to make it work even if your rent is $2,500 and your take-home is $5,000. I've been budgeting for 12 years, paid off $87,000 of debt, and I live in a high-cost city in 2026. I personally do not follow the classic 50/30/20 anymore, but I do follow an updated version that has made me wealthier than ever. Today you're getting the fully updated, data-backed 2026 explanation, no fluff, no fake gurus, just what works right now. The original rule versus 2026 reality. 2005, when the rule was created. Average rent, $825. Average new car payment, $350. Average health insurance, family $248 per MO. Average student loan payment, $210. 2026, today. Average rent, 1 bed $2,041. Average new car payment, $782. Average health insurance, family, employee share $620. Average student loan payment, 10-year plan $488. That's why 64% of Americans under 40 currently spend more than 50% on needs alone, 2026 Federal Reserve data. So yes, the original percentages are tough. But the framework is still gold. The 3 versions people actually use in 2026. The classic 50/30/20. Works great if household income greater than or equal to $110,000 gross. Live in low/medium cost of living area. No children yet. Still used by 22% of my audience, 2026 viewer poll. The realistic 60/25/15, most popular in 2026. Needs 60%, wants 25%, savings plus debt 15%. Used by teachers, nurses, tech workers earning $70 to $120,000. Still builds wealth, just slower. The survival freedom 70/15/15, or 65/20/15. Used in NYC, SF, Miami, Seattle, young families, single parents. Goal. Survive 12 to 36 months then flip to 60/25/15 or better. Full 2026 bucket breakdown with real numbers. Take-home pay example, $6,200 per month, is almost equal to $92K gross salary in 2026 after taxes and 401k. Classic 50/30/20. Needs less than or equal to $3,100. Wants less than or equal to $1,860. Savings/debt greater than or equal to $1,240. Realistic 60/25/15, what host actually uses. Needs $3,720 current, rent $2,350 plus utilities $280 plus groceries $580 plus car $688 plus insurance $420 plus phones/internet $180 plus minimum debt $222. Wants $1,550 dining $420, travel $300, shopping $350, subscriptions $180, fun $300. Savings/debt $930 $500 retirement plus $430 extra debt. Detailed 2026 needs list, on-screen checklist. Housing, rent/mortgage plus all utilities plus insurance. Transportation, payment plus gas/EV charge plus insurance plus parking/tolls. Groceries and household essentials, toilet paper counts. Health insurance premiums plus prescriptions. Minimum debt payments. Phone plus internet. Childcare/child support. Basic clothing, work uniforms, winter coat, etc. Everything else equals wants, yes, even Spotify, haircuts, and Amazon Prime. 3 real 2026 viewer examples, submitted in comments last month. Take home $5,100. Current, 66% needs, $3,366, needs. New plan, 62/23/15 saves $765 per MO instead of $305 plus $500 extra per year. Example 2, Marcus and Aisha, Atlanta suburbs, 2 kids. Combined take-home $9,800. Current, 69% needs, daycare $2,800 killer. 2026 move, wife switches to night shift nursing, plus $18K/year, flips to 57/25/18. Example 3, Diego, Los Angeles, single. Take home $4,800. Current, 73% needs, rent $2,600. Plan, moves to Koreatown 2-bed with 2 roommates, rent drops to $1,300 instantly 54/28/18. The 2026 Playbook, how to improve your percentages this year. Audit last 30 days, categorize every dollar, use Monarch or free template. Cut or negotiate the big 5, housing, car, insurance, phones, subscriptions. Add $500 to $1,500 per MO side income, weekend delivery, freelance, content, average is now $1,100 per MO. Use the upgrade ladder, 70656055550 over 2 to 5 years. Automate the savings/debt bucket the day after payday, it disappears before you can spend it. Best tools in 2026. Quick honest reviews. Monarch Money Best overall, $99 per year. In-app Best for learning behavior change, $109 per year. Simplify by Quicken Best Simple Dashboard, $47 per year. Copilot Prettiest, Apple only. Free forever option My 2026 Google Sheets template, link below, 18,000 plus downloads. Closing challenge and motivation. Here's your only assignment this week. Take your average monthly take-home from 2025. Multiplied by 0.15. That number is your new non-negotiable savings plus extra debt payment starting January 1st. Comment that number below, e.g. $9.10, and I'll personally reply with your full 2026 targets and which version. If you protect 15% in 2026, you will be in the top 10% of wealth builders in this country, guaranteed. Thanks for watching.